going on, everyone? Got a new pickup in the mail today. Going to get them right now. This is the first video I made in like maybe a month and a half. I picked up a lot of stuff to start off 2018, but I just haven't done anything with it yet. So I'm gonna go get these, and then I'll be back and I'll, you know, show you guys the shoe like I usually do. So. Got the package. If you don't already know what these are, you'll probably be finding out here in a second. Pretty excited for these. It's an early pickup. If that doesn't give it away, I already know. Alright, so I just went in my car for this. This is a Nike pickup, and these dropped on Thursday. Like I said before, this is an early pickup. These don't come out for like another few weeks, and Nike pulled the plug on them and let them loose, and they were sold out in about 5 minutes. They dropped 6:30 here in South Dakota. Shout out to J23 for the notification, because that I know helped a lot of people out with this one. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box up. Receipt for the receipt police that don't believe these are real. I am excited for these shoes right here. Look at the label. Oh, you already know. Air Jordan 3 Retro OG, black, fire red, cement, and gray. 854262, like I said before, 001. Suggested retail $200. No, I work at Champs, so once we get our pairs in, which hopefully we do, and if we get a 14, I will be getting a new pair. Another pair, I should say. As you can see, regular Jordan 3 box lid. Nothing too special. Now, we all care about the shoes, right? We're gonna open these up together because it's well worth the look. Now I'm gonna pull this down. And if you're watching this video right now, you can see my finger. I'm pointing right at you. When I pull this paper down, I want you to say to yourself what you think about these 1 through 10, and what is your best word to describe these, okay? Because my opinion of these already, and I haven't even taken them out of the box yet, is 10 out of 10. Hot damn, these are nice as fuck. And if I could afford like 100 pairs, I would. And I'd beat them into the ground. But the catch is, I'm broke, and I can only afford maybe 2 pair. But that's besides the point. Alright, so I'm gonna pull these down. Oh! Oh, man. Ow! Wow! These is a fire! These is, Ooh! 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 Oh my goodness, bro. You didn't cop on Nike, you are missing out, bro. Oh my lord. These are nice as fuck. Ooh, the Air Jordan Retro 3 OG with the Nike on the ass. Ow! These are fucking fire, bro. Oh, and you got Nike here in the insole. You probably won't be able to see that, but man, people were worried about these like being like the True Blue 3s. Nah. Nike did their thing on these. Oh my lord. Why? What the fuck? Why is this one like cardboard? The other one's so nice. All right, maybe not. Maybe I won't give Nike the credit just yet. Okay, so there's that elephant print with the Nike Air on the ass. The elephant print, black, white, and right there. I don't know how many pairs exactly they're bringing out, but if you can get your hands on them for retail or less, and if you have to pay over retail, I just say fucking go for it, bro. These are way better quality than the True Blue 3s, as most of the reviews and pictures I've seen have been saying. I'm just gonna give y'all an extra fucking look, because these are fucking dope as fuck, bro. The elephant print. Of course, these are OG, so you've been seeing these since the fucking 80s, dude. Elephant print just all along the ass. And of course, you got the swoosh. That's what people wanted, bro. That is what people wanted. The elephant print. The black leather, the white midsole. And of course, that very iconic 3 bottom. Of course, the whole shoe just itself is iconic as fuck. They got tons and tons and plethora of the 3s coming out. Like I think back in, what was it, 2015, 2014, the 3s were going in the vault. They are dropping these out the vault now. They are dropping them out the vault for the 30th anniversary of the 3. I'm not a huge Jordan 3 guy, but these were a must-have for me. I will try for the white cements. I will try for the Tinker alternates. And that'll probably be the end of it for me for 3s, to be honest. I don't know if my chance is getting them yet. I hope we will, because that point needs to make that commission money, you know what I'm saying? As much as the True Blue set, these will not sit. This is an OG colorway. So are the True Blues. But quality is a big factor, and these right here, I am very happy with that. That leather crease right there, it's good enough for me, bro. But Nike kind of dropped the ball on this one. As you can see, it's not as plush. Probably gonna take on foot pics of these because they're just too fresh not to. And you know, these are too fresh not to wear. And they got that smell. Oh yeah, that smells so good. I will be doing a full detailed review of this shoe with an on foot here soon. Probably end up doing it before the release, and I'll probably end up putting it on both 605 and Mike and Vic's kicks, just because I basically almost run both, except I'm working with Vic on the other one, and we need to get tons of videos done, even though our schedules don't really coincide. But dope shoe. I hope you get it for retail. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah, that being said, hope you guys have a good day. Enjoy.